So guys, you already know that the primary aim of Web3 is to provide you, yes my dear viewers, you ownership and privacy. And with the help of blockchain technology, Web3 has established itself as a platform where you have actually control over your data, where you have actually control over your privacy, and you also own that data, you also own that privacy. And in Web3, you can also perform services without the need of any trusted third parties, intermediaries, or any brokers, lawyers, or anyone else. And that is the reason why Web3 has revolutionized or is in the process of revolutionizing various sectors, whether it be gaming industry, whether it be money transfer, whether it be consultancy services, and many more. But there's one sector which is like really getting benefit from it, and it also matters for us, like our present and future is dependent on that system. Yes, it is healthcare. So in this video, let's discuss about how Web3 is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. So this blockchain allows the storage of patients' medical data onto the network and not with any hospital or any centralized servers. And that data is distributed amongst us thousands and thousands of the participants of the network and can be accessed by the one who really has access to it and no one else. I'm repeating, no one else. And therefore this enables us to have control over our data, protect it from any breaches, any fraud, any tampering or anything. Now we have control over our data, which means we own them. And if we own them, means we can also sell them. Yes, sell them. This is possible with the help of NFTs. Yes, NFTs. Here we can make the digital tokens of ownership of our data and can also sell that tokens to anyone who is in need, like for any research, studies, etc. Which means the activities which were happening on our back without we even knowing of it, now we can control that activities and also in some cases get benefit from it thanks to NFTs. And the third one is metaverse. And the application of metaverse in the healthcare industry is on next level, like next level. And on that I'll be discussing in few minutes. But as of now, let's discuss about how Web3 is actually revolutionizing the healthcare industry. First is through drug counterfeiting control. And those who do not know about what is drug counterfeiting, then drug counterfeiting means adding wrong ingredients in the drugs, that is adding wrong ingredients in the medicine, which means the ingredient which is necessary for any medicine to cure a particular disease is not there. Yeah, it is not there. Or in other way, it can be like there is the right ingredient but in the insufficient amount. And in both cases, it can really have adverse effects on the patient which are consuming it, or it can also worsen their disease. Like you took the medicine to cure cough and you ended up having corona. Hilarious, right? So these big manufacturers sometimes may tamper with the original material or the original medicine, which can result in the low or reduced quantities of the active ingredient in the medicine, or sometimes not even having the right ingredient, the result of which you know it already, like cough and corona. But now we have Web3, we have blockchain, and with the help of blockchain, Web3 is offering us the security and drug traceability, ultimately killing this counterfeiting market. In the blockchain ecosystem, everything is recorded. Yes, everything is recorded. Each transaction details are added into the blocks, and these blocks are linked to each other, which cannot be deleted, altered or tampered. Like for example, it will contain all the activities of the supply chain, from where the original ingredient came, from where the other ingredients came, where all the ingredients assembled, where the actual medicine was created, everything. And if any drug is not found on that blockchain, that can then that drug can be eliminated instantly from that supply chain before even reaching to the consumers, ultimately benefiting us. Second is surgical operations. Yes, future doctors, surgical operations. With the more and more advancement in the technologies and the devices like AR, VR, AI and 3D constructions, metaverse offers a unique ecosystem to conduct surgeries. The 360-degree view of the patient's body through the metaverse can make possible for the doctors to conduct surgeries from a remote location. And this is really going to prove effective in the countries where the surgeries for any diseases or disorders are unavailable. And also future doctors, this is really going to play an important role in your medical training. Like you will be performing or conducting virtual surgeries in the metaverse and get a hands-on experience with it without even engaging it in real life. Nice, huh? The last is one single record. Yes, one single record. Yes, one single record. Like in the present system, if any patient goes to different hospitals, then each and every other hospital will have its different medical records. For example, if any patient goes to 5 different hospitals to cure 5 different diseases, let's assume, then each and every hospital will have its own medical record, and that patient will be ended up having 10 different medical records for himself, like for just one patient. And this is really very unstructured manner of storing the medical related records or data. But Web3 has a solution for this too. With the help of blockchain, patients can arrange and sort the medical records by themselves, making a one single file for every other hospital. Like one single record, one master file which will contain all the information of the patient and will be flexible over all the healthcare professionals. In this way, we will not have to carry numbers and numbers of files, numbers and numbers of records to every other hospital we visit and explain our situation, our condition, our medical history from doctor to doctor. And this is how Web3 is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. Alright guys, this was all about how Web3 is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. But you know what? There's one more industry which is getting revolutionized with the help of Web3, metaverse, NFTs and many more. It is gaming. Yes, it is gaming. Click on this video to know what I'm talking about, and if you found this video worthful of your time, then make sure you share this video on Instagram, Twitter, anywhere else, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.